Question 13. A 30 centimetre multiplied by 40 centimetre page of a book includes a 2 centimetre margin on each side. What percentage of the page is occupied by the margins? So we know that this is 30 by 40 here. There is a 2 centimetre margin here and here, so that 30 take away 4, we know this is going to be 26 and this is going to be 36. We need to know what percentage is shaded, which is the bits around the outside. Therefore, we want 30 multiplied by 40, which is the big rectangle. And we want to look at 26 multiplied by 36. Now, I don't know which way you have to do this. I automatically go to a lattice method, but you choose your favourite way of doing this. And then what I'm going to do is to take one away from the other. And then percentage-wise. So I found the dimensions of the inner rectangle. I found the area for the large rectangle, found the area for the small rectangle. I subtracted them from each other because that is the shaded area. Then I put the shaded area, sorry, there's a 0 missing there, put the shaded area as part of, as a fraction of the whole, multiplied by 100 will give me a percentage. Simplified it down to 264 divided by 12. You can go even further. You can get a, I use my 12 times table to work this through, but you could have divided top and bottom by 2, by 4, to be able to get a smaller number, not 4, 2. 22 is your answer. That is the answer E.